blessed and proud to have a strong and dedicated technical team and the support team. The solution offered by M4 simplifies the complexity so the user can gain advanced capability and reliability of a full range solar paste deposition experience all in one single footprint, delivers better yield and faster time to market. NSW will continue to grow and continually improve and develop N4 to be smarter, intelligent, to create greater values.
I would like to congratulate NSW on your new product, N4 Full Range Solder Paste Micro-Dispenser. With this ceremony, I believe NSW will bring its product reputation and its technology and put the Malaysian name on the world map. I wish NSW the very best in their future endeavors, and I'm confident that they will continue to reach new heights of excellence.
I believe this achievement has not been easy. It's all about hard work, continuous learning, adoption of technology, investment in R&D, and utmost is the building relationship. Today, we are witnessing NSW automation doing us proud to become homegrown local companies into a global company. Congratulations to the team, congratulations to NSW Automation. With that, thank you very much.